What's up, my math translators, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, I'm Jessica Wade, owner of Math Relief Academy at mathreliefacademy.com, where I offer one-on-one virtual tutoring to grades 6 through 12 and college students taking college algebra, pre-calculus, and statistics. Please take a few moments to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And if you find today's video helpful and you're enjoying my tutoring styles, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and that share button as well. Let's get started with today's video, simplifying exponents and powers.
Today, we're going to learn how to simplify exponents and powers, okay? We're going to need to use the order of operations as well. So I'm going to put the abbreviation for the order of operations. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. And remember, when it comes to multiplication and division, you work it from left to right. So whichever comes first, whichever is at your farthest left, you do first. Same thing with addition and subtraction, you work from left to right. Alright, number 7. 2 to the third power. Okay? This simply means we're multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2. Alright? 2 times 2 is 4. So then we're left with 4 times 2. And that equals 8. Okay? Number 8. We have in parentheses 35 minus 5 squared, or to the second power, plus 15. So going from order of operations, our first abbreviation is P. We have to do the operation that's in parentheses first. So we have to do 35 minus 5 first. We're going to leave the parentheses here. So 35 minus 5 is 30. Squared plus 15. Next, we have our exponent, which is 30 squared. So that means 30 times 30. 30 times 30 plus 15. Okay. Looking at the order of operations, we have our operations we have is multiplication and addition. Looking at our order of operations, multiplication comes before addition. So we'll have to do 30 times 30 first, and then we'll have to add 15. And 30 times 30 is 900. Okay. It's 900. So 900 plus 15, that equals 915. Okay. Number 9. We have 6 to the second power, or 6 squared. That means 6 times 6. And that equals 36. Okay. Number 10, we have 35 minus 5 squared. We have to do the order of operations. Okay. And in the order of operations, exponent comes before subtraction. So we have to get rid of our exponent, which is 2. So this is 5 squared. This is saying 35 minus 5 times 5. Okay. So again, when we write it out like this, we have subtraction and then multiplication. Still order of operations. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So 35 minus, and then 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. 35 minus 25 equals 10. Okay. Number 11. We have 7 to the second power, or 7 squared, times 2. Order of operations, exponents comes before the multiplication. So to get rid of the exponent, we're doing 7 times 7 and then times 2. All right. So we both have multiplication operations, so we just work from left to right. 7 times 7 is 49. And then we do 49 times 2 equals 98. Okay. Number 12. We have 6 to the second power, or 6 squared, minus 3 times 5. So we're going to get rid of our exponent first, okay? As you notice me working this out, whenever I have the exponents, I always write them in expanded form, which is like this, 6 times 6. I always write them in expanded form and show the operation. That way you can get a better understanding of what the order of operations is, okay? So 6 times 6 minus 3 times 5, okay? So we have our operations are multiplication, subtraction, and multiplication. We work from left to right with the multiplication coming first. So 6 times 6 is 36 minus 3 times 5. Now we're left with subtraction and multiplication. Looking at our abbreviation for order of operations, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we're going to have 36 minus 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? So we're going to do 36 minus 15, and that equals 21. All right. Now, some people, if you want to skip writing it out in expanded form and you already understand that the power means you're multiplying it by itself, you can automatically do 6 squared equals, you can just get to this part, 36 minus 3 times 5, okay? But if you're still learning about exponents and order of operations, I highly recommend writing your exponents out in expanded form, okay? Number 13, 5 to the third power, or 5 cubed, times 3. In expanded form, this is 5 times 5 times 5 times 3, okay? So we just, it's all multiplication, so we just work from left to right. 5 times 5 is 25. Then we have 25 times 5 times 3, okay? 25 times 5 is 125. So 125 times 3. And this equals 375, okay? All right, finally we have number 14. In parentheses, 8 plus 2 to the third power, or 8 plus 2 cubed, all right? So using our order of operations, parentheses comes before exponent. So that means we have to do the operation on whatever's inside the parentheses. So first we have to do 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, okay? So this means 10 to the third power, or 10 cubed. To get rid of the parentheses so you won't be confused, you can automatically just distribute it in here and make it 10 cubed, okay? In expanded form, this is 10 times 10 times 10, all right? So we have 10 times 10, which is 100, and then 100 times 10 equals 1,000. Okay? I hope you find this video helpful. If you need extra one-on-one help with understanding how to simplify exponents and powers and using the order of operations the correct way to simplify exponents and powers, then please feel free to book a one-on-one session with me at www.mathreliefacademy.com. Thank you.